So remember the wooden plug? Now it's a Delrin plug. I keep saying Delrin and sometimes I say Teflon. It's just because I wasn't exactly sure what I was getting. Turns out it's Delrin. So this stuff is in. That's what it does. And there's a wing. This is the wing tip. That's the wing root down there. And there's a bar, a tube that comes out, forms the wing tip and comes back around, and this just holds that from being pushed back by the wind. So mine, when my wooden tube was out, wasn't getting pushed back because it was in and up against the bolts and at the back of the tube, and it should have been in the middle and out further, and I'm pretty sure that's why there was undue pressure, and that's why a couple of the tubes bent back near the aileron. So hopefully this solves that problem. Right, Dave?
Right.
And it looks like this should come that way, just a touch there. That looks right to me. Oh, I missed it. I was focused on your finger instead of the hole. You went through that other side, Dave, like it was a drill press. You centered that beautifully. Good job. He's like, yeah, whatever. This is what I do. I'm a driller.
Yeah.
These guys are laughing at me because I'm tired. You believe that?
We're not laughing with you, Matt. We're laughing at you.
They're not laughing at you, Matt. We're laughing beside you. That's what you're supposed to say.
No.
No, they're laughing at me. Dave's just laughing. There's Dave. Say hi, Dave. There's Owen. Hi, Owen.
Hi, Owen.
So this won't be in chronological order, I'm sure, but Dave and I just got back from Georgia. And as soon as we got back, we started working on the Beaver again, because it's not done. So we got this wing filled out. Recovered, we took it apart, checked it, made sure everything was good, fixed a couple of minor things and put it back together. We have one little issue here we're going to deal with. This was not lining up properly with where it was. We're very certain that this has possibly been replaced and wasn't put back together properly. That just kind of goes in, so we're going to have to drill a new hole and pop that little thing in there. You can see there's a bit of a curve to this here. It kind of angles out, so we got to just put that in there so it's straight. The aileron tube was rubbing and it actually wore a hole previously. So we'll do it right. Everything else looks good. It's greasy, but that's good. That means those aileron hinges were lubricated. So yeah, everything feels much better. This used to be, is this the one, Dave? Yeah, this is the one. Used to have a bit of lock wire holding these two pieces together. We decided that a rivet was probably the smarter way to go. So that fabric got torn, but I'll put a patch over it. But overall, it's dirty, but I'm happy with the way she came together. You see inside there, if I hold it sideways, does that make it look more like it's, so yeah, we're happy with the way everything's going. So we're gonna put this one away and take out the other one and do it again. And these guys wanna get to work, so let's get to work. Oh, 3 whole minutes left, Dave, on the battery.
Oh,
Huh?
cool.
Cool.
That's too long.
3 minutes is too long for Dave. What about for Owen? Ow, he says. Ow. That looks good. Here, let me hold it sideways so the viewers can see regular. That's as if the wing was level. Everybody sideways. That's the way they all are.
So this one looking backwards.
No, this one looks like it's right. At least to me, it looks right to you.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we're down to 2 minutes, so that's the end of the video. What do you have to say for yourself?
Bye.
Just bye. Just bye.
Awesome. That's just, yeah, okay.
Huh?
Nothing.
What?
1 minute.
1 minute left. Uh-oh, Dave, any parting thoughts? No?
Don't come easy.
What?
Thoughts don't come easy.
Thoughts don't come easy. All right, that's how you put beaver wings together, apparently. So ailerons go on, that's just bolts and stuff, it's easy. So I don't know what'll be next, whatever. This is the end of this video for now, though, so who knows when there'll be another one. Anyway, it's just coming together. I'm excited. Say bye, Dave.
Bye, Dave.
Say bye, Owen. Okay, and then again. Cool, one more time. And down. Awesome.